This video is going to cover the basic after installation cleanup of our WordPress site. Now, most of the actions in this video are optional, but I feel that they're important enough to at least let you know of them so you can decide if you want to spend the extra few minutes to do them or not. Now, the first thing that I do is log into my cPanel's file manager or open up an FTP client like FileZilla and go to wherever my WordPress installation files are located. For example, in cPanel, that would be right here under File Manager. And I have my installation files located in my root directory, so they're right here. And the first thing that I do is delete some of these files. The README file, the license.txt file, and depending upon your installation method, if you still have the wp-config-sample.php file, let's get rid of it. That's all of these guys. Yep, I was just double checking there. So these three, delete. And inside of the wp-admin, open that up. There's a couple of installation files in here we no longer need. That would be the installation-helper.php and the install.php. Go ahead and delete those. Now in the wp-content directory, there's a couple of things in here that I usually go into and clean up. Totally up to you if you want to do these or not, but under plugins, I never use the Hello plugin, so I always delete that right off the bat. Select that and click on delete. And in the themes directory, I only use one theme. And there's no reason to have multiple themes in your directory if you're only going to use one theme. That's my 2 cents worth. Many others will disagree, because one of the beauties behind WordPress is the ability to quickly change the look of your WordPress site by altering or activating different themes that you might have already installed. So myself, I just don't like the 2013 theme. The 2014 I'm getting used to, but the 2012 I love. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the 2013 theme, go up one level, go up another level, and right here I'm done. Now then, let's log into, go and get out of my file manager. Now let's go ahead and log into the dashboard area or the admin area of our WordPress site, because there's a few things in here that I want to clean out as well. Namely the placeholders like the default post and the default comment, which will automatically be deleted once you delete the default post. And I want to change out the uncategorized category and the default page, which is the sample page. Let's go ahead and get into our dashboard here, which I've already logged into. And if you're not familiar with how to do that, just type in the address bar up here, your WordPress site's URL /wp-admin, hit your return key, and then a box will pop up asking for your username and your password. Then that'll get you right here. At this point, we come on over here to Post. Just click on Post, click on Trash. Go to Categories, click on Categories, and depending upon the theme of your WordPress site will depend on what you edit this to. And for that matter, you may just wait until you are ready to edit this uncategorized category name, but you should not leave this named uncategorized. It just doesn't look right. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this and change the name to Dog Training. And I've capitalized the first letter of each word here and put a space in between the two. Now I also need to do the same thing with the slug down here. And by the way, the slug is simply a URL friendly version of the name, which means I need to make this lowercase and I need to put a dash in between the two, just like that. And if you want to put in a description down here, that's totally fine, but I usually do not. Click on Update. Now you can see that's our new category name and Dog Training. And if we go over to comments, you can see that there are no comments found because it was deleted as soon as we deleted that post. Now under Pages, I want to delete the sample page. And that's it. That's going to bring us to the end of this video on after installation cleanup of my WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.